L'amore corricciato.
Bienvenidos al día 1 en Portugal.
Sophisticated. I'm glad we made it. It's hoodie. Now let me drop that in. Let me drop that in. I had a vision of us winning, now it's gone again. Got the world on my legs, landing Donovan. But shit ain't always what it seems, like you're one a man. Worst case, I'll be back in 4 years just to run again. Now I be the running man, I deliver goods, don't cater, shit's hot. Someone turn up the AC, Slater, if not then I burn up these tapes like paper. But for life decisions, I needed tips like waiters. Got clips, I waited and they both gave me props. Cleaned up the arena like they both gave me mops. Venus and Serena, how we flowed in these lives. And stay way over your dome till the throne's what we got. But they tell me keep a level head just in case we blow. I be peeping levels ahead like a cheat code. And once you got it, they can't take it back. Repo, back to the future, baby, we don't need roads, we go.
And she spoke words that would melt in your hands. And she spoke words of wisdom.
Creo que te conozco. Te estaba mirando a ver si te conocía. Y
te
te
conozco.
conozco.
These people feeding me lines, they think I'm Kate Moss. I'm all about the promotion until I'm they boss. Got flow like bros that try to play lacrosse. Now my name is stuck in all your throats like a late cough. So pardon me, I'm heartily congested. Fans so down, they Dow Jones investments. But we the blue chip, give you that new shit. Ship is never sinking, we avoiding all the loose lips. Came out of my cage, now they wanna baby proof this. I do it for the babes, but I swear I'm never ruthless. Cause that small ball swinging through the screw pitch. Sometimes I gotta wash my mouth like a toothpick. They ask who's this, fam, I never lack that. RJF been holding all these tracks like a backpack. I hit 21 now, blackjack. Look into my future, homie, swear I'll never backtrack.
And she spoke words of wisdom. And she spoke words that would melt in your hand. And she spoke words of wisdom.
Hoy es nuestro día 6138 perdidos en esta isla. Miguel,
¿Qué?
cuéntanos tus experiencias.